All right, guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be talking about this is the best time to really build wealth right now in the crypto sector. Okay, we're going to go over why, we're going to go over price targets. So make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe if you are new. Now, as you can tell, Bitcoin right now is about 20,500 as I'm looking at the charts now, and Ethereum is about 1,080, somewhere in that level. Now, these prices haven't been at these prices since 2021. Bitcoin hasn't been at these prices since December of 2021, and Ethereum is around January 2021. Also, Ethereum does lack Bitcoin movements about a year, so I do think Ethereum is going to reach to around 10 grand and even higher. And I think Bitcoin is going to reach about to 400 grand faster than it reaches to zero because of this. Adoption and regulations. We need regulations. We need somebody to step in to kind of make it more balanced, because that is when real money will get into the cryptos. What money do you think are in cryptos right now? Okay, it's not none of the real money. People with $1 trillion accounts, the hedge funds and stuff like that, the index people that have millions of accounts up to about 800 billion, $1 trillion accounts. When those money start putting allocations towards, they're probably going to do mostly Bitcoin, but I'm pretty sure they're going to have other ones like Ethereums and Polygons and stuff like that, like cryptos that actually change stuff. Make sure you look at one of those. I am looking at Polygon as one of those, but once they start pulling that 1% allocation, it's going to be more movements of, like, you won't see these 70% movements in a couple months on Bitcoin. It'll start moving slowly like the SPY, because they were said once it has regulation, what type of percentage of their accounts would they put in crypto, and they were talking about 1%. So imagine 1% of 800 billion, 1% of $1 trillion in the Bitcoin and the other cryptos. We're going to be going to the moon. So that's one of the reasons why I feel like Bitcoin is going to reach to 500,000 faster than it reaches to zero, because we're going to get regulation, we're going to get more adoption. Now, with that being said, once they do that and they have that 1% in there, once that 1% gets over like to 1.1, they're going to sell it to make it go back to 1% to keep it balanced. Once that 1% gets below like 0.9%, they're going to actually buy it back to bring it back up to that 1%. Okay, so now you're going to have this balance of big money kind of balancing out Bitcoin, and now it's moving more stable, slowly going higher, more stable, not these big 70% increases, 50% decreases. You won't be seeing those movements like that, which I think will be even better, because that is when we'll start making real money with Bitcoin. Okay, I plan on making a lot of money with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually coming to a big buying level also, right around that $20,000 mark. So kind of watch that. That might actually shoot it back up to around 25,000 or so like that. Could be a shorter term play that I was kind of looking at, to maybe get around like 20% or so on a shorter term play. I think I'm gonna do that. I'll probably make a video on that later. But right now is the best time to really start building wealth in cryptos. Again, not financial advice, just letting you guys know what I'm doing. I will be buying, okay? Do I see Bitcoin going below 20,000? It could, but if it does, I'll just continue to buy, okay? And there's also something like after the halvings, it doesn't come close within a certain percentage of the last highs, and we've been breaking that, which is also bearish. And then the crypto finances, they've stopped withdrawals, which was also bearish. So just a lot of bearish stuff for cryptos. But we actually needed this pullback to kind of balance some stuff out, and so we can build our wealth. Let's build our wealth. You buy when there's fear, you sell when there's greed. When there's fear in the market, that's when you should be buying the most. I think right now, within the next year and 2 years, try to build up the most capital you guys can. Try to get the most cash you can and plow it into the markets. Crypto market, stock market, any market you guys feel you want to get in, even real estate. I think we're going to be in those best times, and we won't get these times for a while to come. So I want to make sure you guys know what period you're in, because in the coming years from now, we're going to wish we had Bitcoin at 20,000 when we see Bitcoin at 90,000. Okay, so just remember that best time to build wealth in crypto is now. Thank you guys for watching, but also be prepared for more pain in these crypto markets. It's not just going to go up overnight. It's going to take some time. Just keep building, build that cash position, put money in there that you won't need in the next coming years also, so you're not selling it. So you can build that good position up, so once Bitcoin starts going to the moon, you're not chasing it. Once Ethereum starts going to the moon, you're not chasing it. You're sitting back, relaxed like this, sipping on some tea, enjoying those profits, okay? So I'll catch you guys in that next video. Thank you guys for watching. Always remember, no recommendation to buy or sell anything. This is for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.